Ever wondered if there's a secret handshake to unlock higher limits on your Beforepay app? We've all been there, needing a little extra buffer, a bit more breathing room, and hitting that current limit can feel like a sudden stop sign. If you're using Beforepay, you already know the convenience it offers, bridging the gap between paydays, helping you manage unexpected expenses without the stress. It's a lifesaver for many, a financial safety net that's quick and accessible. But what happens when your needs grow, or a larger, unforeseen expense pops up? You might be staring at your current limit, thinking, is this all I can get? The good news is, for many users, increasing your Beforepay limit is possible. It's not a magical process, but rather a combination of consistent, responsible usage and understanding how Beforepay assesses your eligibility. Think of it less like a brick wall and more like a gradually opening gate. They're looking for signs that you're a reliable user, someone who manages their finances well and repays on time. It makes sense, right? Just like any financial service, they want to mitigate their risk, and your actions are the best indicator of that. So, how do you actually go about expanding that financial safety net? It primarily boils down to a few key strategies, and the best part is, they're all within your control. First and foremost, consistent and timely repayments are paramount. This is the bedrock of building trust with Beforepay. Every time you receive a pay advance and repay it on schedule, you're sending a strong signal that you're a responsible borrower. Imagine it like building a credit score, but specifically within the Beforepay ecosystem. The more successful, on-time repayments you make, the more reliable you appear. Avoid late payments at all costs. If you anticipate an issue, communicate with Beforepay support as soon as possible. Proactive communication is always better than radio silence. Secondly, regularly using the service, even for smaller amounts, can be beneficial. Don't just wait for an emergency to use Beforepay. If you're consistently using it for minor top-ups and repaying promptly, it demonstrates your ongoing need and ability to manage the service responsibly. This consistent engagement shows Beforepay that you're an active and reliable user, not just someone who pops in occasionally for a large sum. It's about building a usage history. Third, ensure your linked bank account and employment details are accurate and up-to-date. Beforepay uses this information to assess your eligibility and capacity to repay. If your income has increased, or your employment situation has become more stable, updating this information could potentially lead to a higher limit. They need to see a clear picture of your financial inflow to confidently offer larger advances. Double-check that all your details are correct within the app. Fourth, and this is crucial, maintain a healthy banking history. Beforepay analyzes your bank statements to understand your income and spending patterns. If your bank account regularly shows sufficient funds and consistent income deposits, it paints a picture of financial stability. Avoid frequent overdrafts or bounced payments in your linked account, as these can negatively impact their assessment of your financial health. The cleaner your banking history looks, the better. Finally, while it might sound obvious, simply waiting and continuing your good habits can also lead to an increase. Beforepay often reviews user accounts periodically. If you've consistently demonstrated responsible usage over a sustained period, they may automatically increase your limit without you even having to request it. Patience and persistence in following the aforementioned tips can definitely pay off. There isn't a magic button to instantly double your limit, but by focusing on these core principles, consistent and timely repayments, regular usage, accurate information, and a healthy banking history, you'll be well on your way to unlocking a higher Beforepay limit. It's about demonstrating financial responsibility, and in return, gaining more flexibility when you need it most. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.